Our contact with Sulzer began in September 2015. This project relates to redesign of the rotor shaft component of their PE3 submersible sewage pumps. To begin with, we used their existing rotor shaft component and we evaluated the properties. Just for example, we used this machine to determine the tensile strength of the materials involved. And then when we did the iterations of various designs, we again evaluated various properties and we used these data to evaluate the best possible design in order to provide a long-term shelf life of the rotor component. SEAM focuses on customer-centric culture with a mission to establish a long-term business relationship. SEAM and Sulzer both had communication during all the times of the project, during the entire course of the project. That helped to understand more of their needs. The benefits to Sulzer is that they could able to get a kind of a redesign of the shaft component, and also being very local to the adjacent to their plant itself, it's a huge benefit. Establishing this collaboration, long-term collaboration, is going to help them in their future product design or in their process improvement programs. The knowledge gained from this project enables SEAM to transfer to the student community within WIT. This kind of experience gained from this project enables us to provide similar services to other companies within Ireland.